Get a feel for the 2023 Hyundai Palisade. With less than 30,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Here's a convenient, comfortable, and capable Hyundai Palisade, the spacious 3-row crossover with a silky smooth ride, V6 power, and premium interior. This versatile SUV combines style and functionality in perfect proportions to create the ideal family excursion vehicle. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, heated and/or cooled front seats, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, head-up display, pre-collision system, navigation system, keyless entry, heated driver's seat, moonroof, power passenger seat. Turn on the calm and drive on in this family-friendly Palisade. Come in for a fun and easy road test. Our team will make it the best part of your day.